What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's pop-up? Locking. Y'all, in today's video, we're gonna do some protective styles, okay? And first, let me ask, how are you? How are you? How you doing? How you feeling? How you living? Let me know down below. Okay, thanks. Also too, shout out to those that have been able to see my videos. A lot of people have been saying, welcome back, missed you. And I'm like, that would have made sense a couple months ago, but I'm back, I've been back. I've been posting once a week. So I don't know what that's about. So just make sure y'all click the notification bell. Just know that I'm trying to drop once a week. That's either a Tuesday or a Thursday, and go from there. Yes, so we will be doing some protective styles. That's what y'all gonna get from me for the next like couple months or so. I'm trying to do my best to keep my hair put up, and it's necessary. I put on my ends just way too much. And y'all, I say this to y'all all the time, but I need y'all to know how serious it is, okay? I got to trim, and she had to trim a lot. So y'all see more like me trying to do different type of like box braids, Senegalese, all the other stuff that people do. Y'all gonna see that. And we're gonna go from there. Oh, I'm making potatoes. The alarm is going. Let me go get that. All right, so we're gonna do 3 different styles for y'all, and we're gonna go from there. Super simple. I show easy to do styles. When you see something else, just know I just felt adventurous that day, but typically I'm trying to do something that's easy going, and that only deals with my own hair. Y'all ready? Yay, so let's get this video started. Curl. Let's get it. All right, so we are detangled, and I want to put a little bit of moisturizer on my hand. Once again, whatever I see first. That's a hair mask, so not that. Sky Organics Bouncy Curl Cream. That's what we're gonna use here. And then for my edges, I have sitting in front of me the Swag Goo Edge Control Gel. I bought more bobby pins. You need that as well. Also have clear, I need to buy black, but I have clear rubber bands. I thought these, yeah, child, you can see these. They ain't clear at all. Also have a edge brush and a regular brush, okay? We got some clips on deck. These are still red from that hair video that I did with colors. Even the water bottle, like I feel so bad. In a rat tail comb, that's what you need as well. All right, so for this particular video, it's gonna be all flat twist protective styles, and then I'll make sure to do one that's with all braiding, because you know, everyone doesn't know how to braid, everyone doesn't know how to flat twist, so we're gonna split that on up. So first off, we're gonna do something real simple, something easy going for ya. We're gonna do a deep part, but this is my good side, so I'm gonna do a deep part on this side. It's actually the side I always part too. My hair probably like, girl, mix it up. Going real deep, okay? So what I like to do as well, after I'm making that part, I didn't put the part all the way straight back. I like to leave the part right there, and then I'm going to brush everything down and around. We are going to first start on the easier side. We're gonna work on this side first. We're going to go do a light little part right down the middle. It's not a real part, so we don't have to focus on it too hard. And then I'm going to just clip this out of my way. Let's begin. Grab you some moisturizer. And I'm gonna show you, only because I gotta do a couple of styles for y'all. I'm trying not to touch them too soon. But a little bit of edge control. Try to first brush the hair in the direction that I want it to go. Add that edge control. Just initially, just so the hair can know like, hey sis, you going in this direction, okay? Now I just like to brush it out. Flat twist is basically taking 2 strings. Hopefully I'm describing this right. If not, it's more tutorials, but 2 strings, and we're just making a twist. A couple of twists down. Then when you're going, you want to, for that lower piece, grab some hair, okay? You're gonna grab that new hair to the bottom piece, and you're going to twist. But try to pull it tight enough to make it flat. You're gonna use it Do it again. Grab some more hair, put it to the bottom piece, and you're gonna twist it again. Grab some hair. I'm not grabbing even pieces. Please grab even pieces. This is me just trying to show y'all what I'm doing. If that was confusing, I apologize. When you go in smaller sections, it's way more defined. You can also use a little bit of mousse for this. So we're moving and grooving as you go. Always try to make sure this is flat as you're adding some hair in, okay? All right, now we're at the end. I'm gonna grab some more moisturizer. And I'm just gonna two-strand twist the end. So, I'm gonna go in there. For the rubber band, I actually try not to go on my actual ends. I go a little bit ways up. Now for this side. Woo, wow, so much fun. Some cream. Once again, keep it small when you are starting off. Also too, when I do this, I'm thinking forward. I'm trying to make sure that it's going to hit more closer to my face. I'm pulling a piece over, rotating it. That next one's gonna get some hair, rotating it. That next piece, get some hair, rotating it, and I'm keeping it nice and tight. Cream. Got these little short pieces trying to call me out. So you already know what I'm about to do. I am going to go ahead and combine the back, okay? In just 2 bobby pins, I am going to go ahead and secure the back. All right, what I like to do first is a little crisscross, okay? Take these pieces and I like to tuck them in. Take that bobby pin and I like to weave it. So you see what my hands is doing? We're going back and forth so you can really make sure it's in there. So this one's gonna go and I'm going to tuck it in there first. And then I'm going to weave it. I don't know how neat that looks. That's how I typically do it. So yeah, I really like this style because it's so easy to do and it'll last you. And with it being, you know, a tighter look, it can definitely last you a week or so. I also like this style when I am working out as well. Very convenient. Y'all enjoyed that? Cool. All right, let's go to the next style. All right, now we are going to do a middle part type of vibe, okay? The grays is out today. So this one we're gonna go for a little bit of volume, okay, just a little bit. See how that looks on us. Hope for the best. All right, so we're gonna just do the classic, you know, just go straight back. Let's start on this side. So same thought process. Going to do one side at a time. Flip that thing. I'm gonna add some moisturizer to my hands. I'm going kind of far back, y'all see? Kind of going far back, and now we're gonna start the twist. I actually wanted this a little bit thinner before I started. I'm gonna twist it a couple of times before I add hair. Now I'm going to add hair. This one is gonna sit a little bit back. We're gonna expose that forehead of mine, okay? I'm gonna start right here, grab some edge control just so I can make sure this is nice and smooth, since this is going to be out. Always trying to smooth it, trying to do my best. Okay. Now we're gonna do this side. 2-strand twist. Now we're adding here. I feel like I don't do this side as neat, but you know, we're going for it. I didn't twist one that good, so we're gonna add rubber band once again. Add the other one. Once again, if your hair was longer, you could rock it like this and call it a day. Not to say I couldn't rock it though. I could still rock it like this. What you thought? So for this one, you can keep it like this if you wanted to. So before I actually pin the back, I'm going to fluff first, okay? That's how I do it. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna fluff. Y'all ready? So I start from the top, pulling each piece that I did apart. Okay? One row at a time. Okay? Before, after. This side didn't do that neat, so we're gonna take our time. We're gonna take our time. Alright, so this is what this is looking like. So once again, I'm using the dew. And then I'm gonna lay down my edges and let y'all see what that look like. Alright, let's take this off. And then you're going to bobby pin the ends, just as we did earlier. This one can just tuck under. I like this look, especially if I'm in a rush, like something quick, like child, we just in and out. That's all we got to offer. Sometimes you can be a little extra. I don't know if you like being a little extra, like make some time. You know how usually we try to sit it like right here. No, put it on the braid. I also try to be extra and add a headband. Preferably one you can tie. Regular headbands are cool, but like ones you can tie, I feel like gives me more of something. Yeah, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Yeah. It's little kid vibes, but it low-key be cute. Okay, do a little pushback, and there you have it. This is what this hairstyle will look like, even adding a headband. I like it. All right, so now it is time to go to the last style of the video. Okay, let's do this. Excuse my edges because, you know, we had a lot of edge control there, and so it's trying to act up. All right, so now for the last look. All right, so what I'm going to do is the following. Let's just try to make a triangle at the top. That's my wannabe triangle, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing we were doing. Once again though, this time we're gonna think forward. We're gonna bring it closer to the edges. So many styles you can create, right? But you know, I'm easy going. All right, y'all, so we're going to go all the way around with this twist, okay? So smooth as you go and add more hair. Finish that on out. So it's like we almost did like a halo, okay? Add our rubber band. I'm actually going to pull it down just a smidge. What I'm gonna do for this section, why did I make it a triangle? No reason at all. Have no reason. I am going to just flat twist it going this way. What this is gonna do is kind of give us some layers, right? Make it look like our hair doing this. Now, this is also based off the length of your hair. We're going off the length, but it's still possible. If you got at least this much hair, you can do it. So I'm going to flat twist going this way. All right, 2-strand twist it all the way down. Add some cream a little bit, not a lot. Okay, so here's the part. Bobby pins on deck. So I'm going to first bobby pin this into the hair. So we just slide it in here. Push it in there. Okay, all you gotta do is just feel for that braid. Make sure you're catching the braid that you just slid through. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin it down in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece and wrap it and tuck it into the hair. See, I can already automatically do it and don't even have to use a bobby pin, but you know, you wanna make sure it's secure. Don't want to be caught slipping. I'm just going to go in there and bobby pin that thing on down. And yeah, this is the look. And of course, right here, I'm going to pull the twist. I just really like pulling it. Like, it gives it so much more dimension, in my opinion. So this look is kind of just giving us some layers, right? Like, you gotta go in here, and we gotta go on across the hair right here. You know, having fun with it. So this is another look. Just something to have fun with it, you know. I was trying to give you like typical hairstyles. I was trying to be a little different. Hopefully I did something to inspire you, whether you remix it from what you saw today. I hope y'all enjoyed these 3 looks. And yeah, maybe I should dress up. Hold on. All right, see? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I feel like when I see this hairstyle. And so I just feel like it flows depending on what you have on. So yeah, I really like this. You know, if none of these were your style, that's okay too. But hey, I'm here to give you options, okay? So let me know down below if you like any of these hairstyles. What's your go-to protective style? Talk to your girl down below. Maybe there's some hairstyles you want me to try that's a protective style that you were like, Janae, let's see you try to attempt this. Let me know, because like I said, that's what I'm probably gonna really push out to y'all and go from there. So I hope you found this video educating, a little entertaining. Let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew, Hody Woo, and as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.